Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is serenity. There's no way that you can progress productively and be able to be as efficient if you are not serene and have peace within your being and within your spirit. Control that whirlwind, that tsunami within your body. Control that ocean of water within yourself, your emotions. And that's how you will be able to navigate this next level, this end the race, crossing into the finish line to your blessing with a peaceful mind and spirit, because you cannot miss your blessing. You're upgrading. There's no reason to be troubled along the path. Through love, release, and inner work, I know peace. I have a gentle view of life, and I welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear, and I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work. I go with the flow, and everything always works out for me. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.